Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to add border to a photo on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to add border on your photo, and if you do not want to use an app on, simply you want to use the iPhone edit settings and you want to add border, so how you can do that. So if you want to know about that, then you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next, first of all, you have to simply open that photo. For example, if you want to add border to a specific photo, which is as that, then you have to simply click on that edit option, and here you have to simply click on that pencil icon. And after that, what you have to do, here you have to simply click on that pencil icon, and after that you have to simply select that plus icon here is available, and after that you have to simply select the border or you want to add, like you want to add this as a border. Here you have to simply click on that circle, and it will remove its opacity, which means it will remove all of its color, and it will be added as transparent border. So if you want to add that border, then here you can simply select kind of border, and after that you can simply select the settings for that border. In this way you can simply add that border on your iPhone iOS 26. But if you want to use the app, then you can simply open the app store here, and after that you can simply search for photo border, and after that you can simply search for apps, and you have to simply open the app and download and install the app if you want to add the photo on your photo border on your iPhone iOS 26. Then there are many apps available which can provide good looking borders to your photos. So in this way you can simply add any border on your photo on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.